All right, everybody. Just wanted to look at market open for February 15th, 2022. Thing that you could do before market opens is look at different futures markets. Right now, if you do /MNQ, that is the NASDAQ futures, we're up quite a bit, 1.75% at open. So there's a good chance the QQQs is going to be doing really well today. And it'll also help a lot of the tech sector that didn't necessarily do well in the last few weeks. So there's a good chance we might see an uptick on that. If you also go to /ES or MES, this is for the S&P 500, and that's also looking very positive right now, plus 1.22%. So there's going to be a pretty good chance, at least at open, that the market will open positively. A few things that I'm considering is possible credit spreads in the QQQ or SPY is about 30 to 45 days out. If you look at SPY, we're at 420.76 was the low for the last few months. It's opening up around 444. We're still going to look around the 420 expiration, maybe 30 to 45 days out. You go down to like the 420 expiration here. Right now it says the delta is 0.27, which is a bit high. It's going to be a little bit lower than that. I'm going to go quite a bit lower than the 420 low the last few months, maybe around 400 to 395 or so. If you look at a credit spread at selling the 400, buying the 395, you can make a pretty good return, 57% on it. Although it's a little bit riskier. The delta will be about 0.13 or so. Want to go safer on it, we go down to say 390, even 380. The 390, 385 is paying $41. Definitely a safer bet, and you can still get a good return of about 8% in a month. If you want to go super safe, let's look around the 375 to 370 region, and you can make $25 for the month. And looking at the yearly time frame for SPY, last time it touched 370s was back in around February a year ago. And we've been in a very strong uptick in general this year. The last few weeks have been pretty much consolidating between that 420 that it touched the low to like the 470 region. So I think looking at the 375s to 390 area for credit spreads might be ideal.